about this. Hello my pixies. So today we're going to be doing a lip combo, and this is a little product that I got from Dollar Tree. So we're gonna see how this works. I don't know why I went ahead and already applied a lip combo on my lips, so we're gonna have to wash that off. Okay, so I have the product off. So this is really pretty. It's like a dreamy pH balance color, and I really love like some dark reds, burgundies, or like pinks on my lips. I do like my browns, but this is super cute, like colors that are along this color scale. So I'm gonna see how this works, and we're gonna try it out together. It just comes with the lip liner and the gloss, and I have my own gloss, but I'm gonna see how it looks. Oh, and this is the color right here. I like trying out a lot of the Dollar Tree products because sometimes you really can find some deals in there, but the downside is I remember finding this perfect pink color. It was like one of those lipstick glosses. So it wasn't a lipstick, but it wasn't a lip gloss. It was like one of those liquid lipsticks, but no, it wasn't a liquid lipstick. It was a liquid lip gloss. I don't know what it is, but it was the perfect combination of a gloss and a lipstick. And of course, after years of getting it, they no longer have it. So I'm sad, because if I fall in love with this and it's not going to be one of my regular staples, because I already know that Dollar Tree isn't going to keep this product, maybe I can find it somewhere online. So we're gonna see. So let's start off with this. And I have my lip pencil, my lip sharpener over here. This is what I use to sharpen my lip liners, also from Dollar Tree, but this is like years ago. I got this with the back to school stuff, but it's already sharpened and pretty sharp, so let's see. Oh my god. Okay. No. I'm not liking this. I get a lot of pinks and burgundies and dark purples, but this, it looks ashy. I don't know about this. This is probably going to be a fail. It already looks weird. I don't think the gloss is going to help. Oh my god. Let's see. Let's try to blend it in. Okay. I guess it actually doesn't look bad. I was a little scared. It was scaring me when I first put it on. Okay. This is actually kind of cute. Let's see. So as you can see, the liner part right here, this dark reddish, purplish, pink, whatever it is, you can see it got on the applicator and it mixed with the gloss. So now it's like this pretty tinted pink color. Let me clean it up a little bit. Oh my god! Okay, so it's not bad. It's not bad at all. I thought this was going to end up looking really, really weird and clownish. Like, I was scared. Okay, so definitely you have to mix it in. You have to blend it. When you put it on, you need to take the applicator and kind of smear in where the liner is in like little circles to blend it in. But I love this dark tinted pink colored gloss that I have on it. So it's not bad. Oh my god, I was scared. So now what I'm going to do is I always get some glitter. I don't know if I want to use my glitter gloss right here. You can see it has sparkles in it, or I sometimes take my glitter eyeshadow and put it on my lips. I might use my glitter eyeshadow because I really, really want some glitter. Hold on one second. So this is my, I think, oh, are these also LA Girl? Yes. So I really love the LA Girl products. This one is a LA Girl foreplay, and it has 4 different colors. This is the one that I really, really love. I love putting it on my eyes as well as my lips. And as you see, this one is also, oh, this is, I'm sorry, this is LA Colors and this is LA Girl, but still LA. I thought it was the same one, but I do have a lot of LA Colored products, and I've tried the LA Girl products as well. But these are cute. I'm about to mix it in now. Let's see. So this, again, is the color that I'm using. And I just need like a little bit because I don't want it to be too much. See the shimmer? Like tap it in. You can't see it as much, but it shimmers now. Alright, so what do I rate this? I am going to give this a 8.5 out of 10. So this is cute. I'm definitely going to use these in some other makeup looks, but I like it. It's a little scary at first, but it came out to be cute. Like this dark red tint color is cute. I guess while I'm at it, I'll put on my glitter.